Herman from Sugarland is looking for a mold remedy.
It's for, they've got a leak behind a Harvey remodeled shower.
Oh.
Is the problem. Yeah. Herman writes, the leak was undetected for 2 years since our Harvey rebuild. And then we saw a mold spot growing in an adjacent closet where we've noticed a musky smell ever since we moved in. I think it's a musty smell. They said musky.
Yeah.
smell. I think Muskie ran for president at some point. Anyway, our remodeler suggested sealing up all the corners and vertical grout lines to fix the leak and let the moisture dry out over time. Tom, will that work, or do they need to tear up the sheetrock and clean it out?
Time for a new shower. Shower's leaking.
Ruh-roh.
So I do a shower. I don't know if it's down at the bottom or at the top, but caulking is not going to work. And I don't know when the house was built, but I'm going to suspect that we're going back to the old green rock behind the tile, and it's finally going. And grout is not waterproof, so water will get through it. It's time for you to rebuild the shower. I know.
I think
Trifection.
Yeah. Trifection can come in and not only do that, but they'll probably upgrade the whole bathroom and make it a more beautiful place.
I don't think you can patch this one. I would not chance it.
Right.
It's time for a new shower.
I think a lot of times we'll hear people saying they want to use a caulk or sealant like that the same way they would use duct tape. In other words, use those interchangeably. Would you put duct tape on the shower?
It's not where you have a little crack in the tile and it's all that water's going back there. There's layers that are supposed to protect the wall. Okay. I think the layers they're failing.
There you go. Don't fail. You want a passing grade in home improvement? Come to the boss. Send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out the Ask Tom form. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.